Hello, I'm in a 2015 Dodge Journey, and today I'm going to show you how you would jump start the vehicle. So first open the hood, and then from the driver's side here, you're going to see a couple terminals. This here is your positive connection that you would connect your jumper cable or your jump box to, and then your neutral negative you could connect to this. If some of this is all gone, you connect to something else, but ideally something like this port in here. Make sure everything's tight and connected. And you're connecting directly to the metal. And then same with your jump vehicle, you want to make sure that your positive is connected directly to another positive and negative to a negative, because if you cross these lines, even just a few seconds of that could cause some significant electrical damage to your computer systems, modules, fuses, all those sorts of things. So but anyways, once these are connected straight, that should get you started. And why this looks kind of funny is the battery is actually located down here. Very inconvenient to get to. So something you might need to address too when you get to your battery, check the terminals on that. Again, make sure there's no corrosion that needs cleaned off with a good brush or rag. Make sure those connections are all tight. See if I can even film it really, because it's buried in there. But in the worst case, if you do need to replace the battery, there's a couple ways to get to it. You might be able to by turning your wheel as much of an angle as you can, and then you pop this cover off, and there's typically enough room you can just barely squeeze the battery out once you've disconnected the positive and negative terminals, that you can pull the battery out. You might have to actually jack the car up and take the wheel off if you're not getting enough room that way. And then yeah, with this car jacked up, then there would be enough room to pull the battery out from this panel that you pulled off. So hopefully just a jump start's all you need. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.